Bells are ringing loud and clear. Chimes are jingling to indicate that special time of year. Blended sounds create a mood that's warm, a feeling that's pleasing to celebrate the night that Jesus was born. And it's such a joyful time to be around. Christmas isn't just a beautiful sight, it's a beautiful sound. Music playing, instruments tuned, just picking and strumming, drumming and humming, a joy that fills the room. The horns blow, notes melodic and clear. The joy that it brings when you add more strings is pleasing to the ear. And it's such a joyful time to be around. Christmas isn't just a beautiful sight, it's a beautiful sound. Christmas brings a very distinctive sound each year. With the sounds that it's playing, you hear what it's saying. Spread that Christmas cheer. Voices singing in such a beautiful key. Bass, tenor, sopranos, baritones, altos, all in harmony. What they are singing is such a beautiful song. When the music and bells, it's not a hard sell to make you sing along. And it's such a joyful time to be around. Christmas isn't just a beautiful sight, it's a beautiful sound. Christmas brings a very distinctive sound each year. With the sounds that it's playing, you hear what it's saying. Spread that Christmas cheer. Bells are ringing, music playing in key. When we sing your songs, if we get along in perfect harmony. And it's such a joyful time to be around. Christmas isn't just a beautiful sight, it certainly makes the world seem alright. Christmas isn't just a beautiful sight, it's a beautiful sound.